Okay, let's use some examples. What we're going to do is we're going to set up the quadratic formula, and then we are going to tell me how many solutions we have. Now let's just go ahead and get started. First thing I need to make sure we do is have a standard form, our equation in standard form, set equal to 0. This is not set equal to 0, and it's not in standard form. Easiest thing to do is take this 16x, because it's on the wrong side, and plug it in where it's going to go over here. So we're going to end up with x squared. That's going to be minus 16x minus 6, and we'll have it set equal to 0. Let's go ahead and put in all of my a, b, and c values. My a value, if there's nothing here, we go ahead and say it's 1. My b value is going to be negative 16. And then my c value is going to be my negative 6. Is that the example I just had over here? Oh, that's the example I just used over here. I just now caught that. So I'm not going to go through this one. We've already done this in the last example. But if we look, we needed to do this part and set it equal to 0. My original example, it was not set equal to 0. Now let me go ahead and copy the values in here real quickly. When I did that one, I got right here, I got 16 plus or minus the square root of 232 all over 2. So how many solutions does it have? The discriminant right here, that's pretty ugly, has a positive number inside, so that means there are 2 solutions. Let's go ahead and do this next one. Hopefully we can actually get some work done on this one. Okay, standard form, definitely not in standard form. We're going to need to take this negative 16 across the equal sign, and of course it's going to change signs. So we have 3x squared plus 8x plus 16 is going to equal 0. I'm going to list out my a, my b, and the c. A value is 3, b value is 8, c value is 16. Let's set it up. I'm going to need my quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. And what I did is I tried to write it instead of my ABC, I wrote the parentheses. All that's over 2a. Let's fill them out. A goes down here. This is 3 there. And it is also right here by the 4. My B, first one and second one are B's, and the last one is my C. Zoom in a little bit.